Today on Smackey's Garage, we're going to be talking about power stop brakes. I used to only run OEM motorcraft on the front and rear of this truck. I recently switched over to power stop a few months ago, and I've been surprised about how they perform. So in this video, we're going to talk about my experience in the past month or two. So we're going to go ahead and talk through how they performed in towing, how they performed in the commute, and with things in the bed. So let's go ahead and jump into it. If you follow this channel, you know that I use my truck like a truck. Whether it's everyday commuting, hauling gear, or hooking up a heavy trailer, stock brakes can start to feel a little bit mushy when they start to get hot. When my stock brakes finally wore down, I decided to go with something that felt a little bit less mushy, had a little bit less fade, and were less prone to warping. And that's where I ended up with these power stop brakes. I went with the Z36 truck and tow kit, which has drilled and slotted rotors paired with carbon fiber ceramic pads. One of the biggest issues that I had with OEM ones were the brake dust and the amount that was on there. And these, as you can tell, I haven't cleaned these since I swapped the brakes over, and the amount of brake dust that's on the wheels has significantly gone down. So definitely a big positive there. So let's go ahead and talk about day-to-day commuting, because that's where my truck spends a lot of time. I do about 50 miles of commuting each day in this truck. The majority of it is highway, and there's probably like 1 or 2 miles of back road. Commuting in heavy traffic, whether you have a trailer or not, can definitely cook your brakes when you're constantly stopping a heavy truck like this. Right out of the gate, after doing the right break-in and bedding procedure, the first thing that I noticed was the pedal feel change. The bite on the rotors is immediate, it's crisp, it's very predictable, which is what you want in a truck. Even when you're in brutal stop-and-go highway traffic, when you're constantly riding the pedal, I haven't noticed any brake fade. Now for the brakes, I haven't noticed any squealing on it, which is great. You know, especially at low speeds, that can get annoying. And then with all this commuting and driving, no brake dust. You can take a look there, it's virtually none. Hugely beneficial, makes it so much easier to clean the truck, and it stays clean longer. Now where the brakes really shine is when towing. You know, I towed things that are up to 6,000 pounds recently. Nothing extremely heavy with this truck, but as I did it, you know, the brakes performed perfectly. But where a truck brake upgrade really proves its worth is under load. I've taken the setup on some long distance drives, hooked up the trailer. The difference is really night and day. When you start having a lot of weight behind you, coming down an off ramp or slowing down suddenly on the highway, it can be nerve-wracking if your brakes feel soft. You know, with these power stop rotors, the heat dissipation from the drilled and slotted design really does its job. Coming down long grades, the truck feels really good. There isn't any issue with stopping, and I've been really happy with that. From a do-it-yourself perspective, ordering these as a complete front and rear match kit takes pretty much all the guesswork out of it. Everything comes in the kit that you need to do the project, which is awesome. Now the install was really straightforward. It was just like you're doing motorcraft brakes. Now I went ahead, I put them in, requires the same exact tools. 2 criticisms on it. One, the stickers that were on the face, I mean, those were really stuck on there, required a lot of scraping to get off. And even then I got as much as I could off. So that was one. 2, I wish they gave a little bit more brake grease in it. Enough to grease up the slides, but if you want to put some on your pads, on the moving parts, there really wasn't that much. Or maybe I just like to use a lot of brake grease. I ended up purchasing some brake grease that one of you subscribers recommended, and I'm really happy with it. Now, they do sell them as separate kits, front and rear. So I did not do my kit as both the front and rear together. So I got to experience the front first and then the rear with them. And I'd say even just the front made a difference. You know, you really don't need to do everything at once. And these are more expensive than OEM rotors. So being able to like pace yourself and do them when they're necessary. So if you're on a budget and you're doing an upgrade, I would definitely recommend doing the front first and then the rear, or do whichever you need to change first. So my final verdict on these, you know, I did purchase them myself. This was not a sponsored video. Pretty much all the parts on this channel, I do purchase myself and get to experience myself. That is my ultimate goal. So with this, you know, I would highly recommend these to anyone that's replacing it with motorcraft brakes or motorcraft parts. But if you want to get the most out of your truck, I would say running power stop front and rear, that's the way to go. You know, thanks for tuning in to Smackey's Garage. Everything in this video will be linked in the description below. I'll see you next time.